Coach. Any word for Coach?
Tayo sa pagpagkatawa na nila ko eh.
Bakit? Sige. O, sige ano?
Ayun, ang super
Huwag lumapit sa akin.
kasi, ayan, from 7th rank, nagapang namin talaga, as in talagang lahat ng strength namin, lahat ng efforts namin, binigay namin. Kaya ayan, nakuha namin yung champion po.
Congratulations Coach po. And also, of course, okay.
And we won!
Thank you. Any word for?
Thank you. Wala, thank you sa teammates ko. Galing nila.
Bang marami kayong bago, no? Napansin ko lang.
Oo, halos lahat bago.
Oo.
Kasi second team to eh.
Second team
ng Panda.
Nagbuo kayo ng second team talaga.
Thank you din sa unang sa Panda 1. Wala eh.
Okay. Sige, congratulations po. Sumilang.
Hello! Thank you so much sa lahat ng sa mga kumari ko dyan. Thank you so much!
Sige po, okay. Okay. Okay, ayan ha. Okay. Standby po tayo po sa awarding right now. Awarding, standby po tayo sa awarding.
Alright, our season best setter.
Best setter.
Kim Tabancheta.
Sino?
Lynn Pedroma, you received the award as Prime One's representative.
Prime. Okay, outside spiker. Doilit. Si Shin.
Second best outside spiker from Panda Heaters. Leading
Zamora, si Miggy. Si Miggy po.
Our best first middle blocker. Emir Magdadaro from Prime 1.
Prime number 1.
Received by the team representative.
Okay, sinil mo rin tumanggap po ng middle blocker. Taga Prime po pa yun.
Our second middle blocker from
Panda muli.
Michael Almontero.
Okay, number 16, Almontero. Pinatayin tayo na AC ah. Pinatayin tayo na AC.
And our season best libero. Our season's best libero is one of the finest and one of the most beautiful faces.
Si Emerson yan malamang. Emerson yan.
Our best libero is from Doha Elite.
Okay, Emerson yan. Emerson. Number 19, Emerson. Pati team captain po nila. Best libero po.
Beautiful faces.
Sige po. Okay, thank you. Sino pa?
And our best opposite spiker.
Okay, best opposite spiker naman.
Panda Aces.
Panda Aces.
Leo Berto.
Leo Berto.
This is our dream team of Qatar Sports, Qatar Spiders League.
Okay.
And our seasons.
Okay, seasons MVP.
Player from Doha Elite, Shin Asensi.
Shin Asensi po is the MVP of the season.
Our seasons.
Tatanggap po siya ng Super Mario Stop Toy at trophy.
Mr. Shin Asensi.
Shin Asensi po.
Panasa.
Stop Toy.
Qatar Spiders League.
Okay, si Luigi.
Dream Team.
Luigi Stop Toy. Okay, thank you po. Okay, si Shin po.
Congratulations to all the awardees.
Okay, lahat naman daw, lahat.
Alright.
Okay. Ito po ang stalwart po sa unang season ng Qatar Sparkers League. Ika the best of the best po. Selected na po yan. Select po, select. Okay, thank you. Thank you po.
Alright, congratulations.
Okay, now awarding now for the second runner-up.
Our first runner-up.
First runner-up.
Our season first runner-up is no other than Team Doha Elite.
Team Doha Elite na po para po sa first season runner-up. They will receive cash and trophy plaque po. Yan po, na bearing the logo po ng and also runner-up plaque po yan. Yan.
We would like to thank our sponsors. And we would like to thank our major sponsor. First is Oasis.
Oasis. Gagalit yung... Okay, they will receive now vitamins. Vitamin C and vitamin multivitamins po. Plaque and trophy and also 500 real cash.
Al Aprubar Motors, Baladna, Qatar Oasis, Nasim Medical Center, and
Okay, thank you po.
Palakpak naman kayo, guys! Palakpak kayo!
Uy, dari ka.
And for our season.
Okay, season's first championship. Season 1 first championship tayo. Panda Hitters. Okay, Panda number 2.
Ojok Sumila.
They will receive plaque, vitamins, vitamin C, multivitamins, and medals, and also 3,000 real in cold cash.
Ram, Vivian Frost, aka Jessa Kader, Suki, Lester.
Yung coach nyo ba nila, rated yun kahit nakalaro dito? Yung coach nila rated yun?
Mr. Ronald,
Lahat na sumama na kayo, dalhin na.
Mr. Ronald,
Okay, they receive now gold medal, multivitamins, stuffed toy, team champion na plaque, and team champion trophy, and the cold cash of 3,000 reals. Kagat medalya, kagat medalya. Kagat medalya.
Dane! Ikaw MVP. Sabi ko na.
Okay. Kagat medalya. Kagat medalya, kagat medalya.
and of course, wait for our
Okay, finals MVP. Pakino ba? Pakino. Okay.
Our finals MVP has 5 attack points, 5 attack points, 2 service aces, and 20 excellent sets. Our finals most valuable player,
Sino?
Rodriguez.
Number 3. Okay, congratulations po, Ron. Number
500. Congratulations, Panda Haters.
Congratulations po ha, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, Janab, thank you po muli po. And with it po, maraming salamat po. This now ends now the game. And also, standby po kayo po sa season number 2 ng Qatar Sparkers League. Maraming salamat po and thank you po.